Yeah, so today I'll be talking about the difference between eating healthy and eating right. So eating healthy is obviously get your proteins, get your vegetables, fruits, water, whatever it is that's healthy, but you don't really listen to your body. So you can be like low energy, you're constantly hungry, you're bloated, all of that. So it's really not really working out for you for your specific body. So eating right for you is when you eat obviously the same foods like fruits, vegetables, meats, whatever it is that's obviously natural. But you're not bloated, you're not hungry, you have energy all the time. So that's the difference. I learned this from Mike O'Hearn. He's one of like the best bodybuilders of all time, and he's a really good at nutrition. So I hope that helps. Have a good day.